Mutability refers to whether an object's state can be changed after it is created. Mutable types, such as most classes and collections like list, allow modifications to their properties and fields after instantiation, enabling dynamic updates. In contrast, immutable types, such as string, datetime, and record types, introduced in C# 9.0, cannot be modified after they are created. This immutability ensures stability and predictability, as their state remains unchanged throughout their lifetime. Immutable objects promote thread safety and align well with functional programming principles because they prevent unintended modifications. Since their state cannot change, they can be safely shared between threads, eliminating the risk of one thread altering the state while another thread is accessing it. While mutable objects are useful in scenarios that require frequent updates, immutable types help maintain consistency and reduce the likelihood of bugs, particularly in concurrent applications where multiple threads interact with shared data.